Đến đây ba được không?
Up to 10% interest from a syndicate that's 50,000 shillings on our fixed or floating deposit. Best returns on your savings. Terms and conditions apply. Canada Bank is regulated by the Central Bank of Canada.
A majority of lungs that are detected during cancer screenings are benign, meaning non-cancerous. Do not be afraid to go for cancer screening.
Ra cái nhỉ?
Twins soon after birth. Vanessa Nyaega, who delivered through cesarean section, claims Kayole 2 Level 4 Hospital staff sought one of her babies with a dead fetus. An array of unanswered questions and no information coming from the health facility. A week later deepens the mystery, even as Nyaega's family demands justice. Hassan Mugambi reports.
Right about that.
When the evening in July, Nairobi County ran Kayole 2 hospital after the mysterious disappearance of an infant. Vinyaiga, the mother of the missing infant, claims that one of the nurses dismissed her request to see the other twin baby. And when she could not wait any longer, she